If you have lots of contacts, finding the right people can quickly become difficult. That's where contact labels come in. Labels let you organize your contacts into groups like family, friends, work, or clients. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and add contact labels in Google Contacts. First, open your web browser and go to Google Contacts. Sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all of your saved contacts. Next, click Create Label from the menu on the left side. Enter a name for your new label, such as family, friends, work, or any category that works for you. Then click Save or Create. Now return to your contact list and select the contact or contacts you want to organize. You can choose one contact or multiple contacts at the same time. Click the label icon from the toolbar and select the label you just created, or choose another existing label. The selected contacts will immediately be assigned to that group. To view everyone in a specific category, click the label from the left navigation menu. So Google Contacts will display only the contacts assigned to that label, making them much easier to find. If you ever need to reorganize your contacts, open a contact, click the label icon again, and add, change, or remove labels whenever you want. All of your updates will automatically sync with your Google account across your connected devices. And that's it. You now know how to add contact labels in Google Contacts. Keeping your contacts organized with labels makes searching and managing your address book much easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.